Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nailer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this pretty simple St. Patrick's Day nail design. As you can see, I'm starting off with a base coat. Next, for the ombre, I'm going to apply just one coat of white nail polish. Now to complete this ombre, I'm going to use this glittery green color and a makeup sponge. But before I start dabbing my nails, I'm going to apply this liquid latex around my skin so that way it's a lot easier of a cleanup. Now I'm just going to apply as many coats with a makeup sponge as I need to get the desired effect. Now that I have the ombre as dark as I want it, I'm going to take the liquid latex off. As you can see, the liquid latex helped a lot, but there's still a little bit around the edges that I'm using a cleanup brush to take off. And now before I add the Shamrock, I'm going to apply a quick dry top coat. Now I'm going to use this glittery gold and a dotting tool to start with the Shamrock. Now to actually start the Shamrock, I'm just applying 2 dots and I'm kind of turning them into a heart. And lastly, I'm just going to add a stem to the Shamrock. Finally, I'm going to seal it in with a top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any suggestions you have for nail designs you want to see in the future. Bye!